If you can't answer this question in 10 seconds, you're probably going to lose. Why are you running? Not a speech, not a policy lecture. 10 seconds. It needs to be clear, simple, memorable, because that's how voters decide. And that's the difference between winning and losing your first election. This is a limited series podcast designed for one specific audience. First time Democratic candidates running against Republican opponents. Hi, and welcome to Win Your First Election, the real world playbook for first time Democratic candidates. I'm TJ Walker, and this series is built around the work and insights of my co host, Bob Berkowitz. Bob is a former White House correspondent for CNN, a reporter for ABC News and The Today Show. And today he's one of the top Democratic Party media consultants in the country. For years, he's worked with first time candidates, helping them understand what actually wins campaigns and what costs people elections. This is the playbook. My role is here to help you execute this. I've spent decades training leaders, presidents, prime ministers, CEOs on how to communicate under pressure, how to stay on message, and how to connect with audiences in a way that actually moves people. Because here's the reality. The best ideas don't win elections. The best communicated ideas do. In this series, we're going to show you how to define yourself before your opponent defines you. Turn democratic values into language voters actually understand. Deliver sound bites that get repeated. Handle tough and hostile questions without losing control. And run a campaign that stays focused, disciplined, and built to win. This is not a theory. This is not a political science class. This is definitely not neutral, but it is practical. Practical and unapologetically a partisan guide for Democrats who want to win real elections. And it's designed to be used. Listen from beginning to end. Then go back and repeat it. Because campaigns aren't won by hearing something once. They're won by practicing it until it becomes second nature. If you're serious about running, if you're serious about representing your community, and if you're serious about beating a Republican opponent, you're in the right place. Let's begin.